thumbnail is. What is BatMoto Designs? Well, in a nutshell, I ordered a custom riding suit. Still waiting to get it. I figure it will take some time. But I was talking to the guy, and he offered, I wish he'd offer to get these idiots off the road. But anyways, he offered to set me up with my own line of gear, like my own brand. He would make them, and the details beyond that we're still working on, working out. But if I get the, when I get the suit, not if, when I get the suit, if I like it, I told him I would promote them. And that's part of promoting them. But I'm thinking about doing what is it? Having some preset designs, as well as offering full custom. And when I say, I mean, even the preset designs would be custom. And what I mean by that is, with him, you order, when you order, you use you send him your measurements. I mean, all your measurements, and he makes the suit to your size. You also have the option of a speed hump, no speed hump. You can also have your speed hump work as a water hump, and what that means is you're able to put a bladder in it so you can keep hydrated. You can also get perforation or no perforation. You can knee sliders, no knee sliders, one-piece suit, two-piece suit, boots, gloves, I mean, everything. And the price is not bad at all. Like I said, I keep in touch with him, and we're talking, you know, like I said, once I get my suit and get a look at it and get to, you know, really check it out in, you know, physical form, then we'll go from there. Because I'm not going to put my name on something that I wouldn't wear myself. So I'm taking the risk off the bat by, you know, I paid for the suit. I ordered the suit. You know, money out of my pocket into his. You know, so if it's something that I feel isn't quality, then I'm out that money. But I do feel like there is a good chance that it'll be a good quality suit. Just the conversations we've had, and, you know, talk back and forth, and some of the pictures he sent from other suits he's worked on, and that I think it'll be a good suit. So we'll just have to wait and see and find out really if there will be a BatMoto line of gear. I mean, I kind of hope so, because that'd be pretty cool, have my own line of gear. And yes, unlike, I think all companies do their logos all over them, legs, arms, chest. I'm thinking a small logo on the chest, you know, like where a badge would be, writing on the arms and legs, but for an additional fee, remove the logos altogether. Now, you can also do any logo you want, any colors you want. I mean, the options are really limitless. But like I said, that's what is being discussed right now. And like I said, once I get the suit and actually have a physical product in hand and get a chance to look at it and test it, I mean, I hope I don't test it. But when I get to see how it feels and everything, we'll go from there. But I just thought I'd let you guys know, because yeah, the guy that was originally going to sponsor me, I don't know the whole situation, but I stopped hearing from him, so I don't know. So I just went the other route and ended up finding somebody else unintentionally with, I think, could possibly potentially be a better deal.